For the magnesium industry, SALEMA could be very helpful in the end-of-life recycling process in terms of after shredder sorting, that we can create fractions which are not only interesting for the aluminium industry to take on further, but also have a business case for the magnesium industry. We realized that they want to substitute or they want to reduce magnesium as much as possible. But magnesium is the most used alloying element in aluminium alloys. For Europe, it doesn't matter where a material is recycled. If it's recycled, it's okay. But if magnesium is recycled in the aluminium stream, from a legislative point of view, we would like also to have an LCA credit for that. It not only starts at the shredder, the recycling, it starts already at the design phase. So the legislative should also be a little bit influencing on the design phase. There also the material decisions are made. And if those material decisions are based on circularity aspects or on LCA aspects, I think that would be a great chance for the Commission, something to influence there as well. Trade agreements, which is also part of the Critical Raw Materials Act, would be helpful to make it easier to import those products and to not see these products as rivalry products, but as an integrated part of securing European raw material policy. I hope the SALEMA project will succeed to convince the OEMs to use more recycled aluminium, to convince the consumer to buy certain cars because they have certain parts with a high recycling content.